How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. Just wanted to show you guys how chicken tractoring benefits the garden. And as you can see here, this area here has no weeds left in it at all. The chickens have been scratching it for about 6 weeks and eating all the weeds and grasses. And I'm just moving on the fence now. There's the 2 chicken coops. They're easy to move as well. You can move them maybe every 3 or 4 months. But you can move the fence, which is a 50-meter electric fence, actually wire mesh fence. You can see it now. It's about 4 foot high, and you can move that about 3 times around the chicken coop before you have to move the coops themselves. You can see here pretty deep weed cover, and we can show in a few weeks, let's say maybe about 4 to 8 weeks from now, coming into spring now, how this area will be completely decimated by the chickens. They're great workers. They do a lot more work scratching up the weeds and in terms of just aiding fertility than any other birds you could keep, like ducks or quail, for example. Look at them there. They're happy out now, just exploring the new area. Let's see if there's any eggs today. Yay! Any more? No. 3 eggs. And Bianca only collected the other ones yesterday. So these 3 are from today. So they must be starting to lay again. Who laid the eggs? Thanks to the chickens.